What's up guys, it's Soren. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to be going over ways that you can make money online in 2021. Now I just want to start off by saying that there has never been a time like this. There has never been as much opportunity out in the world to make an income online. And in this video I'm going to go over the top 3 ways you can do that in 2021. The first one is e-commerce. Selling a product through an online platform such as Shopify. Now, this is obviously hard to get going because you have more upfront costs with creating your product or sourcing it from a supplier. However, if you develop a brand around your product, and make sure to watch my video on why brand matters, you can actually move a lot of product, especially if you learn how to create a brand around your product and you learn how to market it and use SEO to your advantage. There is tons of platforms such as Pinterest, still Google, and even YouTube that you're watching this video on right now that have tons of ways you can develop completely organic traffic from their algorithms and search engines that are on the platforms. And the great thing about an e-commerce store is the simple fact that it is up 24/7 and it will make you sales when you are sleeping and when you are on vacation. So it's one of the best ways to develop semi-passive income streams, and also gives you a large opportunity to expand and grow as well. I always suggest though you have a well thought out business plan before you jump into it, because sourcing products or creating your own product is not exactly cheap in most cases, and it takes a lot of work. E-commerce isn't easy, even though it can be extremely lucrative. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is being an online service provider. We have really seen tons of online service providers completely blow up their businesses on TikTok in the last year, and you could be one of those people. Whether you are a psychic, a social media manager, a financial advisor, a real estate agent, there are tons of ways that you can provide services over the internet to hundreds of thousands of people. And using platforms like TikTok with tons of organic reach right now is one of the best ways you can do that and blow up your business and make money online. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is probably not expected, but it's being an influencer in 2021. And that is because of good old coronavirus. Because of the pandemic, it has sped up the timeline on influencer marketing and how fast that the industry has grown. Because there are so many types of advertising that were just completely cut out of the picture during coronavirus. For advertising, advertisers looked for different ways to advertise their products and services. And one of the main ways they turned to was micro and macro influencer marketing. And it has grown to be over a $15 billion industry in the last year. And there is more than enough pie to go around for everyone who is willing to put the time in and grow on social media. Now, granted, growing on social media isn't easy, but it is the easiest that it ever has been. But what you need to make sure you do, if you do decide to grow on social media and become an influencer, is build a community around your platform. It has never been easier to get a following, but it has also never been easier to lose a following. So learn on how to maintain your following and interact with your community if you do want to be an influencer in 2021. There is huge opportunities for you right now, and there are going to be even more in the future as we see a decrease in effectiveness in paid advertising and an increase in effectiveness in influencer marketing and conversion rates there. So I want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment down below about the best way that you think there is to make money online. I'd love to hear it, especially now in 2021. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. This helps me a ton in the algorithm, and it helps me get out ideas and messaging to more people and help them build a financial future for themselves. Thank you very much again for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for the next video.